Hello and Assalamu alaikum Metaverse millionaires. This is Zindagi Sultan and today I have brought a game for you that is on Wemix. Sounds great? If yes, then watch this video to get lots of surprises regarding this game. But before I start this video, one more exciting announcement for you. During the whole video, I'll ask 5 easy questions and you have to answer those below in the comments. And all those subscribers who will answer all 5 questions rightly will get a chance to win USDT 20 on their KuCoin or in their Binance account. One lucky winner will be decided through a lucky draw and I will announce the winner in my next video. Not only this, but the game I'm going to tell you is also open for airdrop right now, so you can also get a chance to win their airdrop. And not only this, but if I win this airdrop, I'll distribute all my airdrop to my loyal subscribers. So tons of exciting news in the beginning of this video. What are you waiting for? Just hit the like button and subscribe this channel, because in the upcoming videos I'm going to announce lots of exciting news for you. Prizes, rewards, whitelisted spots. Let's dive straight into today's video. Today's game is BALLZ on Wemix. This game token name is Herostones, which you can exchange with utility token Herco Token. This game is the successor of a popular game of dice with more than 50 million users worldwide. Okay, let's talk about their socials. Their Discord is flowing with super engaging members. Same with Twitter, they have almost 62.6k followers. Let's head over to their website. They have professional looking website. Pre-registration is open. Visit their website to get your registration done. Okay guys, get ready. Question number 1 is coming to your way. You need to answer BALLZ game is on which wallet? Remember guys, only note down the answers somewhere like on a notebook etc. But you need to reply all 5 answers below in the comments all together, like 1 answer, number 2 answer, number 3 answer. So wait for question number 2. Okay, now let's continue with the exploration of the BALLZ or BALLZ, whatever. If I show you their website, they have 2 tokens. Herco token, you can claim the airdrop. They have made the airdrop very easy and you can go for so many entries. And the other token is Herostone, which is the game's token. But when you will earn Herostone, you can exchange this Herostone with Herco token, right? And you can also trade Herco token with other cryptos in the market. Wemix wallet, you have to install Wemix wallet. We already have talked about this. Let's talk about their NFTs. Commander NFT. Let's try to browse. Right? Okay. NFT Commander. Attractive NFT commanders give useful in-game buffs. An important buff they give is increase in Herostone mine amount, which can be refined into Herco, as I already have told you. So you can see, check pre-sale event. You can also click on this and you can check this. Question number 2 is, you are watching this video from which country? This game is soon to be released, but I don't have any idea about the exact date. You can join their Discord. Time for question number 3. You have to answer how many members BALLZ game has on their Discord. Hopefully BALLZ game is coming soon. That is on April, but the date is not fixed. And this is a blockchain game that has both ideal RPG and shooting game elements. Play and earn with unique heroes and commanders. 20 USDT. Question number 4 is, what kind of game is BALLZ game? Let's talk about a little about the gameplay now. This game is fun shooting an idol. It's not an old idle RPG kind of game, but it's an idle RPG game with the fun of a bullet hell game. And it's a new kind of game. In this game, the protectors of Earth, superheroes, awesome characters from the mega hit Game of Dice came back as heroes, combined to get unique heroes. And this game is even better with P2E, means the element of play to earn has added fun and exciting element into it. And this game is easy game. You just have to collect Herostones and exchange for crypto tokens through various in-game activities. And you can get large quantities of Herostones through the season race. Then you can use crypto to become a ranker, get to higher stages to collect more Herostones. Time to power up and upgrade. Then unique NFT commanders you can enhance. You can collect more and more NFT commanders. Then you can trade these with real money, right? This game looks so promising, but you need to explore more and more. Go there, ask questions. If you like this game, go for that. I think I have covered all the important details about the game. Rest you can discover, you can explore. Okay, and don't forget to claim their airdrop. I will put the links in the description and you will directly go to the airdrop page. And with that said, time for question number 5. And my question number 5 is, what is your favorite game right now? Now rush to the comment section and answer all these 5 questions in one single comment, and I will put you in a lucky draw. And one winner will get 20 USDT in their Binance or KuCoin wallets. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.